While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH, which is the local digital money in light of the stage. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. They highlight shrewd agreement usefulness as well as deal a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchanges and exchanging with the elaborate middle people. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is a high-level blockchain project and is generally famous among digital money fans, essentially because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital money. The whole peculiarity and the essential center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges, like monetary administrations, applications, games, and items, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. As made sense of over, the Ethereum convention empowers engineers to figure out and chip away at shrewd agreements, consequently carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Subsequent to going through the different progressive phases and development methodologies, the stage has stayed with its arrangement and items to reliably overhaul the convention to guarantee further developed ease of use, security, usefulness, and decentralization. Ethereum, the observational ascent. What makes Ethereum cryptographic money a sought-after prize is its expectation in view of major perspectives. Here cash speed approaches the cost remainder. All amounts are characterized in government-issued money units. Setting P equals 1 and M is determined by the quantity of digital currencies duplicated by the cost of single crypto. Q is how much worth being moved across the organization, and V's examination continues as before. Thus this capability deals with the vitally based system that digital money is conversely relative to its speed. At present, most ventures depend on Ethereum as a public blockchain network, which awards admittance to a bigger crowd of clients, money, hubs, and markets. Notwithstanding, there are many times motivations to favor a consortium or private blockchain. For instance, organizations in the financial area are viewing at Ethereum as a stage for their private blockchain. Indeed, even Ethereum has been used for some underlying coin offering occasions. Public blockchains, completely decentralized and got utilizing evidence of work or verification of stake calculation, following a typical rule that how much somebody can impact the agreement component is corresponding to the quantity of financial assets they can bring to bear. Consortium blockchains. These are to some extent decentralized where a bunch of hubs controls the cycle. For instance, one could envision a consortium of 15 monetary establishments, every one of which works a hub and of which 10 should sign each block for the block to be substantial. Ethereum 2.0, likewise called Tranquility. ETH 2.0 is the augmentation of Ethereum with added elements to further develop usefulness and various costs. It is next in line for upgradation in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a progressive and steady stage-wise divulging with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. At long last, the consolidation has been finished, and the ETH cryptographic money is prepared for angular recuperation. As a forerunner to additional upgrade in productivity, the 2.0 presented a sharding procedure to decrease the exchange cost and speed up. Including sharding with the blend will expand its asset utilization execution amazingly. That will be accomplished by information confirmation among sets of hubs, and each will be answerable for checking the information it got. This could increment by and large limit. Moreover, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. According to the Ethereum cost conjectures, the cost exhibited a remarkable presentation last year and enlisted an unsurpassed high of $4,891.70 in November 2021. Afterward, ETH cryptographic money confronted gigantic negative tension in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 end. Due to the crypto market slump of May 2022, the costs have seen a precarious fall, and according to cost guess, the fall might go on for quite a while. In spite of the underlying cost fall, ETH will definitely end this year as a major bull dashing to support its situation in the venture market. Starting from the start of this current year, ETH has checked gigantic unpredictability in its value activity, and, surprisingly, in the continuous month. Throughout the course of recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,500 and $1,200. As of now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,293.55, and in light of the cost history, keeping on growing is normal. Ethereum value expectation 2022. The year 2022 has not been truly great for Ethereum and most other digital currencies also. The coin began the year at $3,722 yet is right now exchanging at $1,322.80, which is somewhere around over 60%. Since May, the whole crypto market has been confronting a negative feeling, prompting a huge drop in cost for every one of the resources. According to the ongoing cost energy, Ethereum could cross $1,850 toward the finish of 2022, having seen a gigantic DApp reception that drove the value activity of ETH crypto. Likewise, ETH 2.0 has been sent off, which is a further expansion of ETH. According to our conjectures, this might push the organization's versatility to 1 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain from energy-escalated POW to POS. The organization is really famous, with various tasks based on it. Ethereum value gauges for October 2022. In view of the specialized examination, value vacillations may not be extremely high during the year-end for Ethereum digital currency. The token might exchange at a typical cost of $1,450 for the long stretch of October, while the base and most extreme costs of ETH are expected to be $1,348 and $1,552. Ethereum value expectations for November 2022. Taking a gander at the Ethereum cost expectation diagram and specialized examination, it very well may be guessed that the greatest cost might be around $1,750. Simultaneously, the cost investigation additionally recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $1,550 and $1,650. Ethereum conjecture for December 2022. Before the year's over 2022, the token could have arrived at the most extreme worth of $1,850. According to our ETH cost expectation for 2022, the normal and least costs might be $1,750 and $1,650 separately. Ethereum value forecast 2023. Taking a gander at the exhibition of ETH till now, the greatest and least qualities for the year 2023 are determined to be around $1,987 and $2,375 individually. In correlation, the typical worth might be somewhere near $2,181. Ethereum value forecast 2024. In the year 2024, the ETH coin might exchange between $2,389 to $2,809, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost. Simultaneously, the typical symbolic cost might be $2,599. Ethereum value forecast 2025. According to the most recent news refreshes, specialized updates, and ETH cost forecast 2025, we anticipate numerous organizations and mixes soon. This could support the cost of ETH in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation as the cost can stretch around $2,987. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, in the event that the cost faces an inversion, it could exchange around its significant help of $2,542.